Let's play multiplication board game.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 2s.
Tell this answer.
7 4s are 28. 9 2s are 18. 7 3s are 21.
1 6 4s are 24.
1. 5 2s are 10.
Oh.
7 4s are 28.
1 2 3 4 6 4s are 24.
4. 1 2 3 4. 3 3s are 9.
Go up.
3 2s are 6.
2 1 2 4 2s are 8.
4. 1 2 3 4. 5 3s are 3 5s are 15.
4 1 2 3 4 9 2s are 18. 7 3s are 3 7 3s are 14.
7 3s are 21.
7 3s are 21.
Or 3 7s are 21.
Or 3 7s are 21.
Right?
4. 1 2. Sorry. 1 2.
So keep there.
Keep
Stay there.
2
1 2. 10. 5 10s are 15.